I'm so grateful to God for this day, and I can't wait to see my husband. I can't wait to spend the rest of our life together. Love Sis, hey, we wish you the best in this journey. Tunakupenda sana sana.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, naomba sasa niwakaribishe wakiwa official as Mr. and Mrs. Richard Otaro. Ready?
Richard, nataka nikuambie mbele ya watu wengi hawa kwamba umpende Felista kama unavyompenda Bernadette. Felista, nataka nikuambie, my dear friend of mine, umpende Richard kama unavyompenda mzee Clemens.
On the water, your face on top of mine, a fevered dream of mirrored features, hungry eyes. I feel like home, still you pull away. You disappear to somewhere dark, so far away.